Good morning, students. We have completed 3 chapters of the science. Now, today, let's start chapter 4. First, we read the chapter properly with clear pronunciation and rectification. So, read the lesson with me and just underline the hard words which are hard for you. Okay, so start the lesson. Lesson 4, Wonderful Birds. You all have seen different types of birds. They are different from each other. Some birds have very beautiful and living creature flying in the sky. So let's see. In this lesson we are going to learn about the different type of birds and features of different birds. Before starting the lesson, look at the picture of the bird. It is sparrow. Label the parts of the bird's body. It means just identify the parts of the body and just fill up in the box. This part of the body of bird is called wing. This is wing. Okay. This is tail. This is feet. These are claws. Feather. This body of the bird is called feather. And this is beak. Okay. So we have done this activity. All the birds have same part. They are different by color, size or activity, but the parts of the birds have same. So let's start the lesson. I am going to read the lesson, so read with me with clear pronunciation. You have seen some beautiful living creatures flying in the sky. They are birds. Birds are beautiful and colorful animals on earth. They are found all around us. They have feather and wings. They have light and hollow bones that make their body light to fly easily. They also have streamlined bodies that help them in flying too. The tail of a bird helps it to turn in any direction. Feathers. Birds are only animal with feather. Feathers help birds to fly, to keep them warm and to camouflage. Birds have 3 types of feathers. Body feather. They cover the body all around. They give shape to the bird's body. Flight feathers. They are large feathers found on wings and tail of a bird. They help birds to lift themselves and balance the bird while flying. Down feathers. They lie under the flight feathers close to the skin. They keep the bird's body warm. They are soft and fluffy feathers. Birds shed their feathers and new feathers grow in their place. How birds fly. Birds fly with the help of their wings. They move into special ways. First, upstroke and second, downstroke. It means flying in the bird there are two types of movement. First is upstroke, it means upside of the wing, and second downstroke, it means downside of the wing. In upstroke movement, wings are pulled up while flying. In downstroke movement, wings are pushed down while flying. Some birds like kiwi, penguin and ostrich cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. It means birds which cannot fly, we can say flightless bird, or is called flightless bird because they cannot fly. They have wings but they cannot fly. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beak to catch and eat food. Different birds eat different kind of food. Therefore, they have different type of beaks. Curved beak. Birds like parrots have curved beak. They use their beaks to eat nuts, seeds and fruits. Chisel-like beak. Birds like woodpeckers have long and chisel-like shaped beak. They use their beak to bore hole into the bark of tree, to eat insect and make their nest. Spear-like beak. Birds like herons and kingfishers have long, thick spear-like beak. They use their beak like a spear for the stabbing fish. Cracker beak. Birds like sparrow, cardinals and grosbeaks have short, strong and conical beak. They use their beak to crack the hard shell of the seeds and nuts. Long, thin and pointed beak. Birds like hummingbird and sunbird have long, thin and pointed beak. They use their beak like a straw to suck the nectar of flower. Short, sharp and hooked beak. Birds of prey like eagle, hawks and owls have short, sharp and hooked beak for tearing flesh. Broad and flat beak. Birds like duck, swans have broad, flat beaks with tiny holes on the sides. Birds take in muddy water along with the small plants and animals. The muddy water flows out through the holes, leaving the plants and animals inside it. Spoon beak. Birds like spoonbills have long, flat beak with a tip like a spoon. They use their beak to sweeping back and forth through shallow water to gather small fishes and water animals. Like the different shapes of the beak, birds also have different shape and size of the feet and claws. Birds use their feet and claws to catch hold and eat food. They also help them in walking, climbing, perching, and swimming. Perching bird. Birds like sparrow, crows, goldfinch have 3 toes in front and one at the back. They use their front toes to grip the branches of the trees or wires, and back toes to lock around the branch. This is called perching. Climbing birds. Birds like parrots and woodpeckers have 2 toes pointed upward and 2 toes pointed downward. These toes help them to climb up and to hold the bark of the tree. Okay, there is a true fact. Let's see what is this. Pelican have a large beak with stretchable pouch under it for holding fish caught underwater. Preying birds. Birds like eagle, hawks and owls have very strong and sharp claws. Their claws are called talons. They use them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Firmly means strongly. Swimming birds. Birds like duck and penguin have webbed feet with 3 toes in front and one at the back. Their front toes are joined by the thin skin called web. Scratching birds. Birds like hens and roosters have strong feet with 3 toes in front and one at the back. Each toe has sharp and hard claws to scratch the ground in the search of seed and worms. Wading birds. Birds like cranes and herons have long legs with wide spreading toes. Their legs prevent them from sinking into the mud. And in shallow water, the wide spreading toes help them to walk in shallow water in search of food. Where do birds live? Birds will nest to lay egg and raise their young ones. Birds make their nest on the branches of tree, in the trunk of tree, on the ground, rooftop, old buildings, poles, etc. They use leaves, twig, feather, wool, etc. to make their nest. Different birds build different types of nest. Tailor birds. A tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to stitch the leaves together with plant fibers to make its nest. Weaver bird. A weaver bird uses grass and leaves to weave the nest. Nest look like a bottle hanging upside down. There is an opening at the bottom of the nest for the bird to enter. This is tailor bird. And this is weaver bird. They use grass to make their nest like a bottle. There is a hole in the bottom side of the nest to enter the bird. Woodpecker. A woodpecker make a hole in the trunk of tree with its pointed beak. It uses this hole as its nest. This is woodpecker. Woodpecker make its nest in the hole of the trunk. They make hole to live and to lay egg in the trunk of the tree. This is woodpecker. Penguin. Penguin make nest on ground by the gathering stones and pebbles. Pebbles means small stones. Birds take care of the young ones. The birds lay egg in their nest. One of the parents sit on them to give warmth. Other protect them from enemies. After some day, the baby bird hatches out from egg. This is called hatching. There is a true fact. Let's see. A blue heron is a large bird, so its nest can be as large as coffee table. A hummingbird is a very small bird, so its nest can be as small as a doll-size teacup. Okay, the baby birds are weak and do not have feather when born. The parents feed them and look after them for some days. When the baby bird grow and develop feather, they learn to fly and search their food. Let's see lesson in short. Birds have 3 types of feather. All the birds have 3 types of feather. First, body feather. Second, down feather. And third, flight feather. Birds do not have teeth. We all know that birds do not have teeth. To eat food, they use their beak. All the birds have different types of beak according to their food habits or eating habits. Birds use their feet and claws to catch, hold and eat food. Because birds do not have teeth, they can use their claws, feet to catch their food. Birds like duck and penguin have webbed feet. Webbed feet help birds to swim on the water, not in the water. We know that duck and penguin can float on the water because of their feet. They have webbed feet. Birds build nests to lay egg and raise their young ones. All the birds make nest except quail or cuckoo. Cuckoo never make nest. Except quail bird, all the birds make nest to lay their eggs and their young ones. In the nest, they take care of their young ones by the parent bird. So, this was your lesson. Reading of the lesson. I hope you read with me clearly. So, your homework is read the lesson again by your own self and find and underline the hard words. This was your lesson. We started from here and we just read all the lesson with proper pronunciation and you read with me. So read again this lesson and find and underline the hard word. In the next period, I will explain the lesson with hard words meaning. Okay? So, look at the lesson. There are many types of bird. They look like very beautiful and colorful birds. This is the creature of the God. Beautiful birds. I hope you're enjoying the lesson. Okay, student. Bye-bye.